Win some Proline tires, win some Proline tires, or you can win, get this puppy out of here, a winch. And it even comes with its little worn sticker. How cool is that, eh? So guys, that's going to be this year's competition. Some guys need tires, some guys need a winch. Write me in the comment which of the two you need, and I shall put you in the draw. Now let's get back into today's video. 1, 2, and 3. Oh. Hey guys, on this week's show, we're going to re-groove these old Maxxis Trepadors and see if we can get another 6 months out of them. Well, I'm not going to be using them on the street, so I'm going to cut them as deep as I can, and there's really not a lot of tread left on these. So first things first, we're going to be using a drill bit and a homemade tool. Let me show you how that's done. But first, we're going to make a tool right here on the bench. It would help if I plug it in, eh? There we go. So this is a little air tool. What you're looking for is something that fits into your drilling machine and that you can sharpen the edge. So we're going to use this to actually cut the grooves. While the drilling machine is spinning, you're going to want to cut the grooves of the tire. So this has to be as sharp as you can make it. I even like that it's a little bit rugged, that it's got a little bit of a rugged edge to it. That just means it's going to cut through the tire a little bit easier. So let's go cut some grooves into those gnarly, worn, old Trepadors. Now they are old and worn, and I'm not using them on the road anymore. So I'm just going to be using them up here in the jungle terrain. So I'm sure they'll be fine. I think another 6 months I'll get out of them by regrooving them. So after I've cut the tool, I'm going to mount it in the drilling machine, letting it look out just a little bit. And now put it onto fast setting. That'll also heat up the rubber on the tire and give me quite an easy cut. It's not a lot, but I'm also not looking for a lot because the tires are pretty worn down. So I'm thinking I'm actually going to cut them as low as possible without really damaging the, how do you call it, the web inside the tire, or the protective weave, or whatever you call that. Okay, these are the smooth, almost slick Trepadors. So what the idea is, go into the groove like this and cut it there where the tread used to be. Just follow the old line. I'm going to do this now, one cut, just to show you guys. Obviously I'm holding the camera in my hand, which is a little bit difficult. Hang on. This is very difficult. There, let me try it this side and get a better grip on it, right? There we go. Oopsie. So that is kind of the cut, and you're left with a little bit of a lip. Obviously you need 2 hands for this. And that's kind of what we're looking for. Out in the sun a little bit, warming up the rubber just a touch, feeling the tire getting a little bit of heat from the sun. And then what you do is you decide where you want to cut. So this is the old line, and I'm going to just re-groove that old piece, or that worn down piece. I start cutting so that I have a little bit of a lip, then I pull the lip downwards and I keep cutting. Well, that didn't work. Or you do it like 5 centimeters at a time. Now you pull it out, clean the tool, pull it out, clean the tool, pull it out, clean the tool. Gives me quite a nice groove. Not the cleanest way of doing this, but it's one way of doing this. Looking good. Now I've got to do all of them. So let's get cracking. There we go. Super groovy. So tires all cut. I made a big mess. Time to clean up. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.